Today we're going to look at how to measure for a replacement exterior door. Now most doors are sold as door units, so when ordering we need to provide the width, the height, and the depth of that unit. There are two ways to do that.
Vanessa will be demonstrating how to find the dimensions with the interior casing attached. It's easy and you can do it at any time. Dave will be demonstrating how to find the dimensions with the interior casing removed. It is a more accurate measurement but requires a little extra work prior to starting. Let's start with the width. Vanessa is on the inside of her home and she is measuring from the inside of the left jamb to the inside of the right jamb. To better understand what she is doing, let's take a look at this graphic. We don't need the doorknob, so let's take that out. We also don't need the hinge or the door itself, so let's remove those too. Vanessa measured from here to here. However, that does not include the jambs. To get the unit dimension, we need to add the thickness of the jamb. This part of the jamb is typically 3/4 of an inch, and since we have two jambs, we will add 1.5 inches to the measurement. You can also do this from the outside of the home, measuring from here to here. However, the jamb is thicker on this side, so we need to add 2.5 inches, 1.25 inch for each jamb. Dave is on the inside of the home, and with the casing removed, he is measuring what is called the rough opening. Now we need to remove the interior casing. The width is measured from here to here. Whatever measurement is on the tape measure is the final measurement. Next up is the door height. Vanessa is outside her home now, and she is measuring from the bottom of the sill to the inside of the head jamb. Again, let's take out that door for a better understanding. Vanessa measured from here to here. To get the unit dimension, we need to add the thickness of the jamb. Since she measured the outside, we need to add the thicker portion of the jamb, or 1.25 inch. You can do the same measurement from the inside of the home as well. Whatever measurement you get, you need to add 3/4 of an inch to account for the thinner part of the frame. Dave is once again on the inside of the home and is measuring the rough opening height. Now we need to remove the interior casing. The height is measured from here to here. Whatever measurement is on the tape measure is the final measurement. The last measurement we need to take is the jamb depth. Both Vanessa and Dave use the side jamb to do the measurement. This involves measuring from the outside to the inside of the jamb. This is the dimension they are taking. If this unit had two side lights, we wouldn't be able to measure the side jamb. In that case, simply use the head jamb for the best measurement.
Replacing your door adds curb appeal, and as we can see by Vanessa's house, a simple transformation makes a big difference. I hope this video helped explain how to measure and how to find the width, height, and depth of your door unit. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Thanks, everyone.